Hello kids! Today I'm going to draw duck family and scenery. First, I'm drawing a big rectangle. I'm drawing a mommy duck. Trying to draw and paint with me. Let's draw a baby duck. Here is another baby duck. They are so lovely. I'm drawing a leg. Let's draw some water lily flowers. Lily flowers are so colorful. Let's draw a house.
The wheels on the bus.
Here is a tree next to a house.
Yeah.
I'm drawing sun. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Dark green.
Yeah.
Orange. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Orange. Yellow. Orange. Brown. Green.
Farmer in
Pink.
the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy,
Green.
the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes
Purple.
the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Light
the farmer
blue.
takes the wife.
Duck is a small type of swimming bird.
The wife takes the
Awesome.
child, the wife takes the child.
Blue.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse. The
I love
child
drawing and painting so much.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Green.
The nurse
Brown.
takes the cow.
Orange.
The nurse takes the cow.
Light green for grasses.
The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes
It's
the
going
dog.
to be so
The cow
colorful
takes
after the
dog.
painting.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow
Sky
takes
blue.
the dog.
Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank
Dog
you.
takes the cat. The dog takes
It
the
looks so
cat.
amazing. See you on the next video.